1966, the world just waking up, coming to San Francisco. The Beatles play Candlestick, and everything was feeling brand new. Beat poets had all but left North Beach, and the scene moved to the park. In the middle of all that, my man Lightning lit up the dark. He was born Charlie McChristie in an East Coast suburban town. He was a country club kid with a silver spoon, playing on the fresh cut ground. All the teachers called him brilliant, and all the girls, they loved his face. But he could not keep the love inside. The first chance he got, he lit up out of that place. He was like a lightning, he was flashing, he was off and on, and then he was gone. Took a scholarship to San Francisco State, had all the promise in the world. Soon discovered pills, carousel ballroom, and free love girls. Didn't take long to change him. Lightning just stopped going to class. A few hits of Owsley will do that to you. A few hits of that will put you on your ass. Yeah, his hippie friends, they called him a lightning, and that suited him just fine. In fact, his mind was moving fast and always working overtime. And he had the idea for the spaceful personal arithmetic machine. But the drugs kept the genius bottled up. Those things remained just dreams. He could not bottle the lightning that was a flashing. It was off and on, and then he was gone. They were throwing around the I-chain, they were dancing round the fire. It would be hard to find a place on earth that was getting any higher. He got your LSD, Mescalito. Lightning passed that acid test. He still could not feel the love inside. It left him disillusioned and depressed. Yeah, the 60s, they slid into the 70s, and Lightning drifted further west to a beach shack in Lahaina. But by then he was just a mess. The dope was replaced by hard liquor and an anger inside. To him the free love dream was over. To him it was a lie. Yeah, he drowned one night in Kauai, drunk on stolen cheap champagne. His Hawaiian friends at the funeral, man, they didn't even know his real name. It's just a thumbnail sketch of lightning, and he came and then he went. See, one minute you're here, then you disappear, your life lost in the firmament. You like a lightning, you are flashing.